string blocks, solar module string line. So this is an easy way to hook onto aluminum rails. Otherwise there's nowhere really to tie off on these to get the ends done. Really simple to run. You just grab the string, you just wrap it around there a few times. It's not scientific, and drop it down through that slot. Once you have that done, then you can just hook on here on the end of the rail, and it'll stay where you put it. So it just speeds that all up a little bit, makes it a little faster. So I'm probably going to hook it in here for now, run to the other end, come back, and then retie it down. And once I get to the other end, I can take the other block, and I can lay it through here. You know, I like to have about that much for tension, and then just come back and do the same thing. Tie the string off around there, and then it's good. And you can just hook it on the end there like that. The string will be nice and flush with the end of the rail. I'll go back to this other end and go ahead and clip it down. That's what Eric's got going on right there right now. So the next phase is then to bring all the rails down to the end of that string. So we'll just be going through doing that for all the rails across. I like to leave just a little bit of gap so that I know I'm not pushing my string out. Of course, that gives me a little bit of room. So, you know, just 1/16 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch gap there. So we'll go through and do all the rest of these.